Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make faux salad. First, ensure you have all your fresh ingredients ready, including crisp lettuce, fragrant herbs, and your preferred protein. Next, prepare your rice vermicelli noodles by cooking them according to package directions until perfectly tender, then rinse with cold water and drain well. This ensures they are ready for assembly. Now, let's prepare the individual components. Marinate your protein, whether it's thinly sliced beef, chicken, or tofu, in a mixture of soy sauce, garlic, and a touch of sugar for at least 15 minutes. While that marinates, finely chop your fresh vegetables and herbs. Don't forget to toast some peanuts for that essential crunchy texture. The dressing is key to a great faux salad. Whisk together fish sauce, fresh lime juice, a touch of sugar, minced garlic, and a hint of chili for a perfect balance of sweet, sour, and spicy. Arrange your cooled noodles, marinated protein, and fresh vegetables in a large bowl. Drizzle the vibrant dressing generously over everything just before serving. To finish, garnish your faux salad with extra fresh herbs, a sprinkle of toasted peanuts, and perhaps a few slices of fresh chili for an extra kick. Serve this refreshing and flavorful salad immediately to enjoy its best texture and vibrant taste. It's a fantastic meal for any occasion. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.